So if you've been ordering from Blinkit, you might have seen that they come up with some really cool and creative designs on their bags, right? So on Valentine's Day, they came up with this really fun activity called, about how well do you really know your partner. And we finally got around to doing this activity.
And in this video, we'll score and see how well we know each other.
Okay, my turn. Favorite hobby, I've written traveling. Is that
Yes.
correct? Favorite dessert, I've mentioned it as chocolate.
That's so vague.
I mean, chocolate has different flavors, different kinds, but is it chocolate?
No, it's ice cream.
Favorite snack,
He's
which
eating dessert.
I've written dessert, which is true. It is.
How much sweet do you think I consume?
You prefer dessert anytime.
And dessert is again very, very vague. I will give you 2 points for this.
No, it is correct.
No,
Then what is your
it's-
favorite snack? Please tell me.
Pancakes, you could have
It
written.
comes.
But then
it's not a
pancakes
snack.
can be savory.
It's not a snack.
It can be.
No, it's not.
It can be.
It's a meal. Snack.
Pancakes are not a meal. It's dessert.
Yeah, I'll take 5 points for that.
Comfort food, you wrote ice cream.
Yes. Comfort food,
That's
I've written ice cream.
agree, yes.
Which is correct.
Yes.
So 10 points.
Is that why you did not write ice
Yeah.
cream as a favorite
Yeah,
dessert?
yeah.
This dessert could be anything berry flavored or white chocolate flavored.
Dessert is dessert, okay? I mean, there will be 100 different kinds of dessert. First
Samsung
mobile
Galaxy.
phone.
He wrote Samsung Galaxy wrong. As I said, for me also it was Nokia,
First solo trip, I've written Dharamshala.
which is correct. I went
10
for my
points.
partner. I have come to realize that's not the subject but the teachers who really suck. So I did not like the subject if I did not like the teacher. But I think you could count.
I've
and
written maths, mathematics.
Yeah,
See, I know you so well.
you're supposed to. A personal possession they value a lot. Books, yes, books.
Pet peeve.
Bad hygiene, messy house is correct. Yes.
Yes.
But I feel like you're gonna get more points than I did. Ideal way to relax, travel, and read. Yes. But I also like to do like yoga, so that also could have been, but it's okay. You get full marks. Rapid round. There's coffee, chai. He ticked on coffee. Is correct.
Beaches or mountains?
Should be both.
Dogs or cats? I've written
I love
dogs.
dogs more, yeah.
Yeah.
But I like cats also. But
okay.
I would like
It's
to
preference.
have a dog. Actually, it would be
Between movies and TV shows,
movies.
which one do you prefer?
Movies.
Yes.
Oh,
Person.
this I saw and I realized he's so wrong. I'm not a rice person. Actually, I like floating more.
I won by a big margin.
No, you did not.
Yes.
It's not a big margin.
It
Please,
is.
just like 10
Even if I would
points.
have gotten some like 3 or 4 points wrong, I would have still won. Yes.